exercise number 8.1. Example number 7. Example number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta into bracket upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and cot theta. Second question. I have taken solutions here. I have taken first this one, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8 that you are given. Okay. So squaring both the side, cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8 whole square. So cot theta you can write like this way also. Cot theta whole square is equal to cot theta. You can write like this way also. Okay. So cot theta is equal to 49 upon 64. 7 square upon 8 square. Get it? Now first example. Let a triangle ABCD is 90. A is theta. That is theta. So that is your opposite side. That is your adjacent side. Cot theta is equal to, you are given 7 upon 8. Cot theta means adjacent side AB upon opposite side BC. 7 upon 8. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side upon opposite sides. So I have taken it. Let the common multiple non-zero constant positive numbers is equal to k. Therefore, let k is some positive number, multiple. Therefore, AB is equal to 7k and BC is equal to 8k. Yesterday, just I have rewinded yesterday's matter. First of all, ratio is given, indirectly two sides given, bare sides given. From that, with the help of which Goras? Pythagoras. With the help of Pythagoras, find the third sides. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 8k 7k square plus 8k square. 49k square plus 64k square is equal to 113k square. Therefore, AC is equal to 1 square root of 113k. Get it? Now, sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC and hypotenuse AC. 8k upon 1 root 3k kk video 8 upon square root of 113. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 64 upon 1. I have taken sin square theta. We will see it. Now, what is meant by cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is equal to 7k square root of 113k kk 7 upon square root of 113. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 113 upon 64. Squaring both the sides, so we will remove this square. Squaring both the sides, cos square theta is equal to 49 upon 113. Now, simplify it. First, ratio, two side. From that, find the third sides. Put this, find the required trigonometry ratio. Put this one, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So is equal to 1 plus sin squared, 1 minus sin squared theta upon 1 minus cos squared theta. See here, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So instead of a, here 1. Instead of b, here sin theta. 1 minus sin squared theta, 1 minus cos squared theta. 1 minus sin squared theta is equal to 1 minus, what is your sin squared theta value? 64 upon 113 whole upon 1 minus 49 upon 113 is equal to 113 is your LCM. 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49, 113 cancel is equal to 49 upon 64. That is your answer. That is your answer. Get it? Example number 8. 3 cot A is equal to 4. Check whether 1 minus tan square A plus 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square. So we will find the value of tan A, cos A and sin A. Put this value here, simplify here. Put this value here, right hand side, simplify here. Both the value will be same. See here. Let in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. B is equal to 90, A is equal to theta. So that is your opposite side. And that is your adjacent side, that is your hypotenuse. Now 3 cot A is equal to 4. Therefore cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. Cot A is equal to adjacent side AB upon opposite side is equal to BC is equal to 4 upon 3. Okay. Let K is some non-zero constant positive integers. Therefore, AB is equal to 4K and BC is equal to 3K, where K is some positive numbers. Multiple. Now in triangle ABC, angle B90, therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, 3 square whole B square, 4K whole B square. You know it very well, you have done it many times. 25K square, therefore AC is equal to 5. That is your AC is equal to 5. Clear? Now we will take what is your required terminal trigonometry ratio, tan theta, cos theta and sin theta. Now tangent of A is equal to BC upon AB is equal to 3K upon 4K, that is your 3 upon 4. Sin A BC upon AC is equal to 3K upon 5K is equal to 3 upon 5. And cos A is equal to cos A is equal to AB upon AC is equal to 4k upon 5k is equal to 4 upon 5. Now left hand side. What is your left hand side? 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a is equal to 3 upon 4 whole square. 1 plus 3 upon 4 whole square. So you will get 1 minus 9 upon 16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16. So 16 minus 9 upon 16. 16 is your LCM. 16 plus 9 upon 16. 16 cancel. 16 minus 9 7 upon 25. That is result number 1. That is your result number 1. Now right hand side. What is your right hand side? Cos square a minus sin square a. What is your cos square a? 4 upon 5 whole square minus 3 upon 5 whole square. 16 upon 25, 9 upon 25, 16 minus 9 upon 25, 7 upon 25. By 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. One side circuit hai. That is your proof. Again you have to write it. Okay. 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Such types of the example is asked in the exam. Okay. So that is your proof. Example number 9. Example number 9. In triangle ABC, B is right angle. If tan A is equal to 1 over root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second, cos A cos C plus sin A sin C. Okay. Tangent of 1 over root 3 આપેલું છે. That means you are given that 1 and root 3. From these two sides you will find with the help of Pythagoras 2. Then find sin A cos C. According, that is your A, that is your C. Then put this value here and simplify. Okay, I have calculated it. In triangle ABC B90, tan is equal to 1 over root 3. Tan is equal to opposite side BC upon AB. BC upon AB. 1 over root 3. 1 over root 3. Let the common multiple k is non-zero constant, some positive numbers. BC is equal to 1k, AB is equal to root 3k. In triangle ABC, B is 90 degree. So what we will apply? According to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square, Pythagoras theorems. Okay, AC square, AB square plus BC square. What is your AB square? That is your k square plus 3 square is equal to 4 square. AC is equal to 2. Get it? From that, find this 4 ratio: sin A, sin C, cos A, cos C. Sin A, opposite side upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC, 1k upon 2k, kk cancel, 1 upon 2. Similarly, cos A, AB upon AC, root 3k upon 2k, root 3k upon 2k, kk cancel, root 3 upon 2. Then sin C with reference to this, opposite side upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC, root 3k upon 2k, root 3k upon 2k, kk cancel, root 3 upon 2k. Cos C, adjacent side upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC, adjacent BC upon AC, kk cancel, 1 over 2. Now be careful to substitute this value. Sine A. Where is your sine A? This value 1 upon 2. Cos C. Where is your cos C? This value 1 upon 2. Sine A cos C. Plus cos A. Where is its value? 1 upon root 3 upon 2. Sine C. Where is your sine C? Root 3 upon 2. 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2, 4 LCM, 1 plus 3, 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. That is your answer. Cos A, repeat. Cos A, where is your cos A? This one, root 3 upon 2. Cos C, where is your cos C? This one, 1 upon 2. Minus, here it is minus given, be careful. It is minus, in textbook it is minus, is equal to sine A. Where is your sine A? This one, 1 over root 3. Sine C, where is your sine C? This one, root 3 upon 2. By 1, I will number this one. How you will write? By 1. That is by 1. Root 3 cancel. So your final answer is 0. Final answer is 0. Now example number 10. Example number 10. In triangle PQR, Q is 90. PR plus QR is 25. P is 5 centimeter. Find sine A cos P 10. Very simple sums. PR plus QR 25 and PQ is 5. That is your 5 PQR. Q is 90. Now you are given that. What you are given that PR plus QR is 25. PR is 25 minus QR. I transfer on this side. PQR Q90. Pythagoras theorem. PQ square plus QR square. 25 Q square 5 plus A minus B square. A minus 2AB plus B square. 25 square Q. Q square R square Q square R cancel. 65. I have transferred here. Side changing. I change the sides. Minus 25. This side plus QR. Therefore QR is equal to 600 upon 15 is equal to 12 centimeter. You will get it. PR is equal to 25 minus QR. 25 minus 12 is equal to 30. Yes, 3 sides are getting. So from 12 trigonometry ratio, you can find all these 12. 6 with reference to P, 6 with reference to R. But we are asked only sine P, cos P and V. Sine P opposite side upon hypotenuse, 12 upon 30. RQ upon PR, RQ upon PR. So cos P, PQ upon PR, 5 upon 30. Tan P, opposite side upon existent side, 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5. Such types of the example I will send you in PDF file from the other textbook, other books, okay, old textbook, whatever it may be, practice book. Try to solve it. Very simple.